presenting the Vivo V23 Pro 5G. It comes in color options of Sunshine Gold and Stardust Black. The phone has display of 16.66 cm, 6.56 inch, and connector type 3.5 mm jack. The phone also has full HD Plus display. It has 108MP plus 8MP plus 2MP 50MP plus 8MP dual front camera. It comes with 4300 mAh lithium battery. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 1200 processor. It also features front camera, dual front camera, and dual camera. The delivery box contains handset, headset and USB cable. Charger, 3.5mm earphone jack adapter and eject tool. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.